Hey people, what's up y'all? So today we continue our theme about Squarespace, and today we're gonna talk and we observe some templates on Squarespace. So waiting first of all about your opinion. What do you think about the templates? Do you like actually Squarespace or not? Or maybe the better service for you is Wix or Elite Pages. So first of all, I would like to tell you that I'm not a professional in these spheres. The only thing that I'm doing right now, I just want to tell you what it is. I want to show you how you can create your personal website just in 15 minutes if you don't have, for example, UI, UX design, or even a tech skills of coding. So actually, that is my task for today. So let's start our work first of all. Today we're gonna work with the templates. There are many templates, beautiful, gorgeous templates, and this is my lovely part of each video episode, working with each editor because the templates are always beautiful with beautiful content, with beautiful high quality images. So actually that is what we do right now. We will observe the templates. So actually right here in Squarespace we have many many sections of many categories, I would say, of these templates, from the online store till the real estate and properties. So let's start from the online store. What templates we got right here? So actually these are what we got right here. These are these templates, and actually let's first of all let's start from from this one, and let's check the preview. The thing for me which I love and adore right here, that actually on Squarespace we got three versions of actually the templates. I mean, this is not free, free versions of templates with the adaptive design for the desktop, which we got right here on the desktop. Yeah, so that is for the desktop. The next one is for the tablet. Yep, and we can see that the borders, disappeared, I would say, or we cut the borders right here. So actually, and for the mobile devices, which is very thin. Yep. So that is what I told you. Here we got beautiful fonts, beautiful backgrounds with beautiful high quality images, and actually the sections and all the skeleton is well done. So actually I adore these templates. And actually let's start, for example, to check food. Yeah, well, we got food template with food templates, and what we got, food. It's not a food for me. Oh, first of all, what we got right here, or this one. Let's check the first one. So basically this is mobile, this is for the template, and what we got for the desktop. So basically what we got right here, beautiful content as usual. So basically let's check a full demo site because it's not enough for me, and what we will see. So basically that it is. And for example I have a restaurant. Yep. There I would like to choose the template which will suit for my opinion, for my imagination, how I can represent my restaurant. Right? But to be honest, this template, for example, I don't like it because this skeleton is not good for what I imagine in my head. So actually that we will check the other templates. And I guess as I am, for example, the owner of the restaurant, I guess this will be better for me. So let's check this preview and let's start from a full demo. Yep. So I guess that it will be better. So of course it will be better for me because I have a blog, I have about, I have a content. So good for me. Menu section. So here is what we got right here. my blog, for example. This is basically not my blog, but you know, I'm looking on this template and I can see that right here, of course, I can also create my personal blog with my dishes, so with beautiful images. So that is nice, that's tasty, I adore it. So actually I guess that we will start from this side. We will start from this side, actually from this template, and actually the bottom, start with this design, clicking directly to this bottom, and we will right now work with our editor. And on people, actually right here we can see this is the editor, but we have on the left side the main menu section. So actually let's start from the basics. Yep. So pages are responsible for the pages layout. Basically right here we can check what we got on this template. We can change some layouts, yep, or maybe add some pages such as blogs, some links, maybe portfolios, events, another one. So basically this page section is responsible for this. The second one is about design, nothing special, only design, and design is responsible for fonts, colors, animations, spacing, buttons, and blah blah blah. Okay, so talking about the fonts, all the same, we can change the fonts, the sizing, yep, headings, so maybe some buttons. So actually you can do it directly right here. Talking about the colors, all the same, we have a color palette right here, but we can successfully edit this color palette. And what we got right here, so what will suit to this color palette. The next one, what we got right here, not design, commerce. So actually that is really cool thing right here, because you can check all the things such as orders, customers, discounts, you know, payments, basically method of payments, everything what is right here for the Android, for the iOS, all the useful and very important information about actually commerce, you can get it right here. Yep, but remember, this is a template, we don't have any information right here, so I only telling you what we got right here and how you can set up your personal settings, but it depends on what you want to set up. Yep. So the next one is about the marketing. So marketing, I would say this is a really powerful thing right here. We have a SEO checklist, we have Google search keywords, but if you don't like to do all of this things, you can hire an SEO expert. You have this perfect opportunity, so please, you may try. The next, talking about the next, what we got, the analytics is also really powerful right here, because you have everything. And no matter right now on the screen we see all the zero, because this is a template, this is not a website, but we have traffic, geography of visitors, traffic sources, search keywords, basically all the useful information, and with this actually data, I would say, you will work. And this is very important, and even this is important, and of course this is useful for you in your work, in your further work. So that is how you will work right here, basically. So I guess that from this list, from this menu section, that's all, and we will edit our template. So basically how we can edit this template, you know, Squarespace editor is not like Wix editor or I would say Lead Pages, because this is not drag and drop editor. I would say this is much more straightforward, because we will edit directly the sections. Yep, because you know, in Wix and in Lead Pages we was actually we were dragging the elements, yep, and we were changing them. But here we don't have many options. It's look like in the WordPress, but for me it's better because, you know, it doesn't confuse me in this way. So I have some variants of the titles, of the backgrounds, of the color palette, and for me it's enough. Yep. So what we got right here, as usual, we have the header, and actually clicking directly to the bottom to edit the header. So basically here we got the settings, and these are the settings for the desktop, for the tablet, for the mobile device. But you have to remember we can work, of course, simultaneously or just work with I would say in separate way. Yep. So we can upload successfully the logo. Right here we can change a title, just let it be like this one, yeah, and right here just to upload the logo. The next one, add some elements such as buttons, for example, or maybe some social icon size. Yeah, the sizing. Change it, added some social links, yeah, or just to delete them. But actually, to be honest, it will be better with these social icons, I would say. Yep. So the next what we got right here, these sections, and clicking directly to this section, we have what, manage post basically, or we have actually this format, I would say, of settings. So actually we can change the color. It may look like in this way or this. So basically we change the background, yeah. And I would say that, you know, in chocolate brown it looks for me better, yeah. So the next one we have, of course, bottom of manage post. Yeah, I would like to say all the settings. And here on we have settings of managing posts, and basically here we have what? We have actually the lists of our posts, and just we have right here points, and we have the opportunity to duplicate, to view all the settings, or delete this post. So basically I would like to view all the settings, and here we got what? See optimization, so you have all of the content. The status, published, unpublished, tags, categories, in what categories it should be, yep. So all the comments. So basically that is all the information for you, how you can work with this I would say template. Yep. This what we got, by the way, right here, I forgot to tell you. Yep, between these sections, yep, we have actually bottom of edit section. For example, I adore this template, and this template is actually suited for me, but I understand that it has, for example, not enough sections for me. And for example, I would like to add, for example, FAQs or text or some widgets. It may be some videos, or it may be appointments. So basically here what we got, or it may be even a location. Yep. So let's start from this one, and what we got right here. Yep. So basically that is the variants that you have, and you need only to select one of which is for you suits the best, I would say, and that's all. You will save all the settings, and if it suits for you, so you may save all the settings. So that is basically what I told you about. So talking about the FAQs, for example, I would like to add this one, yep, section, and basically that is how it looks like. But clicking directly to the text, you can see we can change the size. Don't forget about it. It looks like, you know, it looks like, you know, in a WordPress, yep. But you know, for me, it's really nice. So you don't have too many options which will confuse you. You have some paragraphs, some variants of paragraphs, some variants of content, text content, of headings. So that is how you will work right here. So the next, and of course, settings of the section, the alignment, yep, the section height, background. We can add the image or add a video, or just we can change the color and continue our chocolate, yep, dark chocolate chocolate theme. And the thing that I forgot to tell you about the application, because Squarespace has perfect application for your mobile devices, and you can easily continue your work directly with the help of this app. So basically you can continue your work, maybe your unfinished work with your website, with your template. So please, you may try. And of course, let's just think, yeah, Squarespace, for whom this Squarespace is ideal, yeah. And in my opinion, I would say Squarespace is ideal for people who would like to represent themselves, yeah, and of course for people who would like to create a professional website, yeah. And I would say that Squarespace is actually, it really has the best quality designs and features on the market, but sometimes you have a curious moments, but you know, for me, it's not a problem. So basically, the only thing that you have to do is just to practice and to see will it be better for you or not, because this depends only on taste, on your time, on your preferences, yeah. And Squarespace plans, I would say, starts from $12 per month, and I highly recommend you really to try how it works and just to check all of these things, and maybe it will help you. So I guess that this is the end of our reviewing video episode. I'm waiting for your comments as usual. What do you think about the Squarespace? I would say that maybe the next video will be about the next website builder, because we continue our theme about website builder service. I would like to thank you for your attention, and we will see each other in the another video. Bye.